Today I want this movement. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A lot of movement. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Yeah, I want meet more. Give me this movement. Look, the movement from the chest, not only from the shoulders. This is the shoulders. This is the chest. More volume, more movement. Let's start slowly. Up and down your chest, your breast, and down. Diagonal movement. Up and down. Up and down. Show me your side. Yes. And up and down. Give me the contrary movement. Look. The right arm. Chest right and down. Chest left. Breast left and down. Yes. Show me side. Good job. Now click this. That's side by side. Or push more and more. And show me. And one must be down. And one. And one. And one. And one. And one. And one. 4, 6 is just surprise. 2, 4, 6, 8. On every one is 1, 3, 5, 7. Look, start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. And 1. And 1. I will explain with the arm. Look what will be if I will use the arm. You see? Yourself here. Touch. Touch. Yes. And give me from the rib cage the 8. Go to the right. Breast. 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 Okay. Let's start. To the music, just train with me. Slowly, slowly. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Princessa, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Princessa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will show one more. And to you on one. And 1, 2, look. 3, 4. 3, 4.